evening to all respected parents and dear students. ये पेंडेमिक की सिचुएशन में आप सब लोग सलामत और सुरक्षित होंगे ऐसी हम आशा रखते हैं और हमको बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि स्टूडेंट्स के साथ साथ पेरेंट्स भी बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज में जुड़ रहे हैं। स्पेसिफिकली ये गेस्ट सेशन की बात करें या प्रैक्टिस सेशन की बात करें तो उसके लिए मैं आपको एक वाक्य बता देता हूँ कि क्या हुआ था। मेरे माइंड में एक थॉट था कि मुझे चेस कंपटीशन है, वो चेस कंपटीशन रखनी है, पर सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए रखनी है या पेरेंट्स के लिए रखनी है, ये मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था। तो मैंने एक एक्सपर्ट की एडवाइस ली और वो एक्सपर्ट ने मुझे ये कम्युनिकेट किया कि उत्कर्ष सर, क्यों न पेरेंट्स और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को भी जोड़ दिया जाए और ये इवेंट को बड़ी इवेंट बनाया जाए। और देयर आफ्टर आई कैन से दैट कि बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से ये इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए हमने सोचा और अंकित दलाल सर है, उनकी एडवाइस हमने। अंकित दलाल सर है, उनका ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन है, वो आभा मैडम देने वाले हैं। पर मैं सबसे पहले अंकित सर का शुक्रगुजार हूँ और हमको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी हुई है कि गुजरात स्टेट चेस एसोसिएशन के साथ जुड़ने की और अहमदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेस एसोसिएशन के साथ जुड़ने की। तो सबसे पहले तो ऑनलाइन फेलिसिटेशन करना चाहता हूँ। अभी पैंडेमिक की सिचुएशन में ऑनलाइन फेलिसिटेशन है वही हो सकता है, तो मैं ऑनलाइन फेलिसिटेशन करना चाहता हूँ। अंकित सर, थैंक यू, आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और बट ऑब्वियस ये इन पर्सन भी आपको आपके वर्क प्लेस पे मिल जाएगा, पर प्लीज हमसे ऐसे ही जुड़े रहिएगा। प्लीज आभा मैम, ओवर टू यू।
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. A very good evening to one and all. I am a faculty at Navkar Public School. I am Abha Suri, and I appreciate the efforts of Navkar Public School for giving this opportunity to the students, that in this hour of pandemic also the students are allowed, as well as they are very much encouraged to not to keep aside their co-curricular activities, and chess is one such mind game whereby the students can show their intelligence, their knowledge, and their patience. So I appreciate the efforts of our school as well as our dignitary guest to plan out this event and encourage our students and motivate our students. I hereby extend my warm welcome to all the dear students who are attending this webinar with their parents as well as with their grandparents, with their families. So I'm really happy that we have not many participants who have enrolled for this session. Our honorable guest, that is Ankit Dalal sir, who will be guiding you throughout the session. Before he takes over, let me give you a little highlight about our respected guest speaker of today. He is one of the core proficiency in business development, training and development programs, and also looks after the team management. He is also conducting chess tournaments at international level since 2015, and even taking students abroad for the international chess tournaments. He was an owner at Brain Power Chess Academy and now working with Chess Base India Power and My Chess Trip. He is the owner at My Chess Trip. He was a secretary with Gujarat State Chess Association and was a key organizing member in organizing the committee in the World Youth Olympiad, organized by Gujarat State Chess Association. So, students, please give a huge round of applause for our honorable guest, Ankit Dalal sir, and please welcome him for giving us a little guidance on today's session of our chess tournament that will be conducted by Navkar Public School. Sir, please, I warmly welcome you to our session. Welcome to Navkar Public School's I warmly welcome you to our students and I introduce you towards our students. Sir, please. I guess the host will have to unmute Ankit, sir. Okay, I would request to please
Yeah,
unmute.
I think
Yes, yes.
I've been unmuted. Yeah, thank you so much, Abha ma'am. I really appreciate Navkar Public School and Utkarsh sir on behalf of Gujarat State Chess Association and the new Ahmedabad District Chess Association that this is a wonderful activity. There are very less schools in Gujarat which really think about this
Sir, your voice is cracking in between. I'm really sorry.
this I really okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. It is perfectly all.
Right. I think if any of the participants don't hear me clearly, please raise your hand or do let me know so I can stop and explain again or do something about it. Thank you so much. So I really congratulate Navkar Public School and Utkarsh sir for this excellent initiative in this pandemic because it's really important for kids to be around sports. And chess is such a game which will not only help in their curriculum, but in this difficult times, it will make them stronger as well. So it's very exciting to know that the parents and the grandparents and the family is able to participate in this event, and we are going to create a club for you where you can also participate daily against each other. We are going to give you a platform. Navkar Public School is going to give you a platform where you can even play with your friends, with your colleague every single day. So let me begin. I'm I just want to tell you a couple of things. I'm also an international rated chess player, and I'm one of the certified chess coaches by the World Chess Federation. So today, whatever I'm going to tell you about the rules of the game, please do think about. The tournament is exactly going to be played in that particular way. So let's start. What do you have to do? First, we'll begin with I'm going to share how we can reach to the tournament page where the tournament will happen, and then I'll take you to the rules of the tournament. So can please the host let me share the screen? Right, a sec. Just 1 second.
Ankit, sir, you are the host, I guess, and you can share the screen.
I just sharing the screen. 1 second. This screen where we see chess.com. I think everyone, Abha ma'am, can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the platform where we are going to play the tournament. Okay. Just to let you know, once we finish this session, I am going to send you the step-by-step process. I mean, the school will send you the step-by-step process, how you can enroll on this website, how you can actually come to the tournament. Okay. So because I'm already a member of chess.com, I don't need to log in, but once you come on this site, chess.com, you will have to register yourself on this website. Okay. So everyone, this is the homepage of chess.com where the best grandmasters of the world in chess participates on this website. So this is even just 15 days ago, the World Olympiad where India won the gold medal was hosted on this platform. So it's an excellent initiative by Navkar Public School to organize the same platform which the world's top players have played. You all will be playing on the same platform where our own Vishwanathan Anand also played recently. So what you have to do is once you log in, you will have this kind of a page when you click on the link which I am going to send you, it will take you directly to the Navkar Public School club. You'll be able to see club, which is Navkar Public School. It has the logo Navkar Public School. Okay, so you have to click and you have to ask me to request. I mean, you'll have to send us the request to join the club. So we will accept your request to join the club. I'm also going to show you how. One second. Can you see the screen now? I'm just typing. Right. So this is how the screen looks like when you actually log in. I mean, when you actually come to the website. If you want to play, you have to click on yes, Soham. Any issues? Is the voice not coming? Can anyone check, because students are raising hands? The students who are raising hands, one second, let me see. Voice is clear, your screen is visible. Okay, I think, yeah, the screen I have, let me do it again. Okay, can you see the screen now? I'm sure that you are able to see the screen now. So when you come on chess.com, this is exactly the screen, what do you call, looks like this. Okay, I'm getting chats, one second. Okay, so the screen is clear. Now you would, because you are not a member of chess.com, you would just press join. That means you can create an account. Okay, you can do it by Facebook or Google. So I'm just doing it. I already have an account. I would just press, or you can create your own account by using any other ID. Give me time. Let me first show you, and then I'll questions for sure. So I have already registered and I'm on a home page like this on chess.com. Students, do not worry, because we are going to send you links. You just have to click on links and log in and register. Okay. So I'll go to connect clubs. It says join a chess club. Okay. So you simply put in Navkar Public School. It comes Navkar Public School. I'm going to go to Navkar Public School and press join. The link which I will send you is simply this link. Okay. So when you paste this link straight away, when you click on the link, you will directly land here and you'll have to press join. So once you have pressed join, please be patient. The moderator of the club will accept your request. Okay. Put submit. I've got the request. Now I'll accept your request and you will be able to come in the link. That's fine. I mean, I'll go for it. I'm going on the board itself. So I'm also requesting, if anyone have any questions, we will take your questions very soon. We are going to send you all the links. You will have, if any point of time, if you have any questions, you will have all the answers to it. It is very simple. I'm just explaining you the process. So when you come on this platform, you are able to understand it better. Otherwise, I took 6 to 7 clicks. The thing which I'm going to send you, you'll be able to do it in 3 clicks. Okay. So let's start further on this part, where I'm going to start with some tournament rules to all of you. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen again. I hope everyone can see the chessboard. And so first of all, I would like to tell you a little bit about chess before we go to the tournament rules. And I'm going to teach you a little bit about chess, how it moves, what are the tournament rules, because when we play at home, it is very different, and when we play actually at national or international level, it's very different. But the website you are going to play on is an international website, and everywhere is this the common rule of chess. So first of all, this is a chessboard, and chessboard has 64 squares. If you look at, there are 64 squares. Okay, the squares are in light and dark. It's not white and black, it's in light and dark. Okay, right. So chess is a game of light and dark. It's not a game of white and black. Chess has 32 pieces. This are total 32 pieces. Okay, like every one of you have name. The chessboard has, each square has its own name. I'll show you how. So this is a chessboard. You can see this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are called files. And this is ranks. First, this is the first rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank, fifth rank, sixth, seventh, and eighth rank. The square names are very simple. Suppose if you look at the left hand, where my cursor is, left hand square, the dark square is A1. This is B1, C1, D1, E1, F1. This is E5, C5, C6, B6, G6, and so on. So every square has its own name, and it helps you in annotating the game. Annotating the game means you can record the game, you can write the game. While you are playing online, it will be on the right hand side of your screen, where you will be able to see what moves you have made during the game. So this is a little about the chessboard, and this 4 squares, D4, E4, E5, and D5 are the center squares of the board. This is called the center of the board. Okay. Now let's come quickly to pieces. So the most important piece of the game is king. Like the way everyone knows what is cricket, right? How do you win in cricket? Is by scoring maximum number of runs. The team with scores the maximum number of runs win. In chess, it's very simple. The objective is to trap. It's not to kill. You can never kill the king. It's to trap the opponent's king where it cannot escape. So trapping the king is the objective. You have to checkmate the opponent's king. The king is the most important piece in the game of chess, because without king, the game cannot happen. Now, how does a king walk? The king walks one step in every direction. One step in any direction. Like the king can go here, king can go here. Okay. So I'll just put all the pawns for you to understand. These are all the squares where a king can go while standing on this particular square. The most important thing is king cannot walk into a square which is attacked by an opponent's king. I would request everyone not to post in any questions at this point of time. I'll unmute you 1 second. I've unmuted you. I think so, and you're also. Okay, I've unmuted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sorry to interrupt you. Students, please be हो professional. जब भी सर आपको कुछ बताए, आपको जो भी communicate करे, please follow कीजिएगा.
Utkarsh sir, I just want to interrupt, sir. You are not audible.
Okay. Now, am I audible?
Sir, a very less voice is coming. You are not perfectly audible,
Am
sir.
I audible to you?
The voice is very low.
Ankit, sir.
The voice is very low. And don't worry, students will take all the questions right now. Please just try and understand what I am explaining you. Okay, I'm again sharing the screen. I was just talking about the king. Here is the position. So the king can walk one step in any direction, and king cannot cross the square where he's getting a check. A check is where a king is getting attacked. So king cannot move into a square where he's getting checked. And yes, a student wrote somewhere that the king can move without check. So whenever we play at home, we think that, oh, the king cannot move without check. No, the king can move any point of time, and king can move without check. So this is about king, one step in every direction, and can just not walk into a square where it is attacked. Okay, now let's go to bishop. We see a dark square bishop and a light square bishop. How does a bishop walk? Bishop walks diagonally. So it always walks in cross up. It can go in any direction, again 4 directions. So I've just kept 2 bishops over here. I'm going to show you the dark square bishop. How does a dark square bishop walk? So a dark square bishop can go here, here. These are the number of square the dark square bishop can go to. So the bishop walks diagonally in this particular way. Okay. Now bishop's value is 3 points. Bishop is a minor piece, okay, and its value is only 3 points, but it's a very, very important piece. Now I'm going to show you about knight. Another thing about bishop is the bishop cannot jump. Knight is a very interesting piece in the game of chess because knight is the only piece which can jump. Otherwise, there are no other pieces which can jump in the game of chess. Knight walks L-shaped. It's also said that the knight walks 2.5 steps, like the knight standing over here can go 1, 2.5. So the knight goes, knight can go 1, 2.5, then either 1, 2.5, or 1, 2.5, 1, 2.5, 1, 2.5. Any direction it goes L-shaped. And if you carefully see the knight is on the dark square. So knight always moves on the light square. When it is on the light square, it moves on the dark square. So knight does not move on the same square. Quickly, the value of knight is 3 points. It is also known as minor piece. We go to the rook. The rook is a major piece. Anyone can say, looking at the rook, that it also looks like a castle. Okay, so the value of rook is 5 points, and it moves sleeping and standing. So a rook from here can go to, that's up, down, left, right. Okay, so this is how a rook can move from its original position. Now let's go to quickly queen. Queen is the most powerful piece on the chessboard, because queen from the center of the board can cover almost 1/3 of the board. I mean, it's the most powerful piece, and it can attack a lot of squares by itself. Queen can walk like a bishop, queen can walk like a rook, queen can walk like a pawn. So the value of bishop and rook is 5 points, bishop is 8 points, and pawn is 1 point. So the value of queen in total is 9 points. See, again, I'm putting all the pawns where you can see that the queen from the center of the board can attack this many squares. Can you see it covers almost 1/3 of the board? Okay, I think it is somewhere around 27 squares. Okay, now let's quickly go to pawns. There are total 16 pawns on the board. Okay, a pawn is a very, very minor piece. It's very undermined, but pawn is a very powerful piece when it comes to the end game. So first, let's see how does a pawn walk. Pawn is the only piece which cannot move backwards. Pawn only moves straight. So 2. In starting, it can either walk 1 or 2. Then it will only move 1 square. Okay. First, you can choose whether you want to make one square or 2 squares. And how does a pawn capture? Pawn captures only 1 square diagonally, only 1. Okay, it cannot capture if it is in the same line, like so. If the pawn is like this, it is blocked. You cannot capture the pawn. Okay. Now I just saw someone asked me a question. I'm going to address it here. One sec. So when the pawn reaches the last rank, you can either make a queen, you can make a bishop, you can make a knight or a rook. Queen, bishop, knight or a rook. You can also make, if you make 2 pawns reach the last rank, you can make 2 queens, you can make 2 rooks, two knights. But the number of pawns reaches the last rank, you can decide what you want to make. You cannot make a king and a pawn. Okay. Now let's quickly move towards the tournament rules. I am going to also take you, every game has some or the other special moves or some or the other specialty. For an example, in cricket, while batting, it is the power play. In chess, there are 2 special moves which you can make once in the game of chess, once in the game. So first special move includes king and the rook. king and the rook. This is a special move because it happens only once in the game of chess. Another thing, it's the only move where you may move the two pieces of your same side in one move. Again, I'm repeating. This is the only move where you can move two pieces of your own side. This can happen only once. The move is a combination of king and castle or king and rook. It is known as castling. So there are two types of castling. One is short castling, where the king moves here and the rook goes here. So you see only one square is there on the right hand corner. Okay, so this is called short castle, and this is called long castle, where there are two squares left. So in short, king from its original position moves two squares. I just told you king only moves one square in any direction, but because this is a special move, you can move the king two steps and the rook in the same move. This happens only once in the game of chess per side. Another thing, why people do castling? Castling is done to protect your king, and you can bring your rook to the center of the board because the rook is in the corner of the board. So in one move, you can save your king, and in the same move, you can bring your king out, your rook out in the center of the board. That is the reason this is a special move. Okay, there are some conditions to play this move. The first condition is there should be no pieces in between of king and rook. So if there are any pieces in between, you cannot castle. The second is that you should not get check while castling. So for an example, let's say this bishop is attacking the king. Okay, so it's a check actually. So you cannot castle while you already have check. You have to first save your king and then castle. Mind you, there is another rule too, that when you want to castle, your king should not have moved before, and your rook also should have not moved before. If these two pieces have moved, you cannot castle. Anyways, in online chess, it won't let you castle if you have moved your king, if there is a check in between. So just don't ask, why sir we are not able to castle. It's very clear. Now let's see what is the other condition. The other condition is if while you want to castle, if the square is being attacked by the opponent's piece, okay, so you can see this light square bishop can attack on the f1 square. So in this position, white cannot castle on the short side because king cannot go on this square for castling. White can only castle on the queen side, which is the long castling. Okay, I hope the castling is clear. Now let's go to this second special move. I'm taking everything very fast because we have very limited time and there is a lot to understand here. Okay, the other move which consists is of pawn. It is called en passant. Okay, so please clearly understand this rule. When your pawn is on the 5th rank, you see it's the 5th rank, the white pawn on the 5th rank and the black pawn on the 4th rank. But let's take white for an example. When your white pawn is on the 5th rank and your opponent moves 2 squares, the pawn, then only on this move you are allowed to capture by playing the diagonal move. Only on this move. If you play this move and then he plays this move, you cannot end passant. It is illegal. You cannot end passant. It is illegal. It cannot happen. Okay. So I'll show you from the black side. When your black pawn is on the 4th rank, which is the 5th rank for the black, okay, and the white plays double pawn, not a single pawn, not like this. If this is here and white plays here, he cannot end passant. Only the white pawn is in its original square and plays double, then only he can capture. This is called end passant. Okay. I hope these are the most basic rules which I am sure that I would get questions about. But there is a lot to learn in chess. This is a very small what I've explained you very quickly. Okay. Now let's go to the tournament rules. The tournament will be played 9 rounds. There will be totally 9 rounds. So every one of you has to play 9 games. Okay. It's not that if you have lost one game, you're out of the competition. No. You play 9 games and the maximum who scored wins the tournament. If there are 2 players on 8 points or 2 players on 9 points, there are systems from where we'll determine the winner. Those who have played with strong players would win the game. So everyone has to play all the 9 games. Okay. Second thing, while you are playing the tournament, when you are on chess.com, okay, the most important thing is you cannot refresh the browser. You cannot go back on your browser. If you get disconnected by any chance, you have to wait for the internet to reconnect, because there are very strict measures on the website, which will not request you, everyone, that you should not press back or refresh in the counter. Okay. Another thing, chess.com is a very good site, so you won't get disconnected until and unless you have a bad connection. Okay. The person who scores the maximum in the tournament, as I said earlier, wins the tournament. This is very easy. You will have a time control of 5 minutes each. So when you start the game, you will have 5 minutes and your opponent will have 5 minutes. Okay. So you have to complete the game in 10 minutes. If any one of you finishes those 5 minutes, loses the game. It loses the game automatically. The result you will see in the front of you. How the results would be in front of you is, if white wins, it will be 1-0. If black wins, it will be 0-1. And if it is a draw, there are a lot of positions where a game can be drawn. Will be half. You'll get half point to draw. If you won, you'll get 1 point, and if you lose, you'll get 0 points. Okay. Now I will quickly take questions from your side, so you can quickly type the questions and I'll answer your questions. The tournament is on Sunday at 11:30 a.m. School will send you the message regarding the same. Yes, Soham, king can move without check. The tournament will end in 1.5 or 2 hours. No, Manav, you are not playing against the computer. You are playing against your schoolmates. You can play from phone. I would say don't play from phone. play from your laptop or computer, it will help you. 1 second, please. Slowly, can you explain last 2 minutes of game you explained? Pratham, I'm not sure what you were exactly asking. The first person who once the first person who's finished 5 minutes will lose the game. As I said, the time of one match is 10 minutes, 5 minutes each. Once once the game is completed, the other game will start automatically after everyone's game is completed. Om, I cannot increase the timings of each round because we don't have that much of time. Otherwise, tournament will go on forever. This website is okay. This website is paid only if you want to see different kind of videos. There are a lot of chess videos and stuff. Otherwise, playing on this website is absolutely free. Dear, I'm extremely sorry. You can, whatever questions you can have, you can pass it on to Utkarsh sir or Abha ma'am. I'll speak to them. Yes, you have to complete the whole game of your side in 5 minutes and the opponent says 5 minutes. Yes, there is an app of chess.com. Jimil, it's 5 minutes each. On iPad, you can download the chess.com application. It should be available in the Apple Store. Aditya, we are going to send you. Please, everyone, do not log in and create your account now. We are going to send you the link, and the link we will actually send it to you. Then only log in from that. You just have to click on the link and you'll be able to go to the club. So do not do anything right now. In the tournament, I will be arbitrating the tournament. I'll be a referee or the umpire, you can say. So whatever decisions I will give will be the final. And most of the decisions are automatic. Hemang, it is very, very clear. Once you make a move, your clock stops and the opponent clock starts. Once he makes a move, opponent's clock stops and your clock starts. Hate, if you already have an account, you just have to click on the link which we will send you. So you'll just have to join the club. Generally, it's absolutely okay. You join through the link. It will ask you to download the app if you are doing from mobile. You have to play fast to finish the game in 10 minutes. So log out is fine. You will have to create your own accounts. School won't do that. Yash, simple Google chess.com, you will get it. Yeah, we will send you the message in an email. The school will send you. You can follow the steps. Don't worry about it. Last few questions, please. Yes, Jimil. As I told you, every piece has its own point. Queen is 9, bishop is 3, knight is 3, rook is 5, and pawn is 1. Last two questions. Om, I will speak to the management. Let's see. I don't think so we can increase the time of chess. 9 matches on the same day. Yes. I just want to clarify on that part. The tournament will begin from 12:15. But 11:15, after 11:15, the registration will open. So they join the club any point of time. They can just click on register from 11:15 to 12:10. So they have to register before 12:10. देयर इज अ थर्ड टूर्नामेंट एज वेल. जो थर्ड टूर्नामेंट है, जो पेरेंट्स खेल रहे हैं बच्चों के साथ, देयर विल बी अ टीम ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड किड्स. इट्स द सेम टूर्नामेंट, आपको वही टूर्नामेंट में खेलना है, पर जो पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों के साथ मैक्सिमम स्कोर करेंगे वो एक्चुअली चैंपियन. इट्स अ टीम गेम एज वेल. सो मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स को अपना ही टूर्नामेंट खेलना है, पेरेंट्स को अपना ही टूर्नामेंट खेलना है. एंड में हम लोग पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स के स्कोर को ऐड करेंगे और उसमें से वी विल गेट 3 winners, 3 round winners.
Perfect, perfect.
Diye, just to answer your question, I'm very sorry we cannot decrease number of rounds because हमको clear winner नहीं मिल सकता है. Yazruv, yes, you will be able to see. Okay, let's do quickly one thing. Sir, मैं एक काम करता हूँ. I am going to play a 2-minute game quickly. I'm going to share the screen for
Perfect.
you guys to see how it is played online. But I'm going to play a very short game, so it does not take anyone's time. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to play. So I'm going to get an opponent over here. I've got the opponent. Let's say I'm playing a game. This is how you are going to play the game. See, you can see the time. यहाँ पे time आ रहा है. यहाँ पे moves लिखे हुए आ रहे हैं. You can clearly see the timing. उसके पास 2 minute. He's left 2 minutes 17 seconds. I have 2 minutes 30 seconds. See, अब जैसे ही मैं pawn last rank पे पहुंचेगा, it will ask me whether what can I make. I have these 4 options. I can click on anything. अब मैं ये दूसरा भी queen बनाऊंगा. She's checkmate. It will say, I have won the match. Okay. So this was just for your thing कि मैंने एक गेम खेला कि आपको सिंपल पता चले कि गेम कैसे खेलते हैं. अपनी ये आईडी जो बना है उससे भी आप प्रैक्टिस करो. आप जब कल क्लब ज्वाइन करेंगे, हम जो आपको लिंक भेजेंगे, तो आप अंदर अंदर भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो वो क्लब में जाके. यानी नौकार के स्टूडेंट्स अपने ये टूर्नामेंट के बाद भी इन फ्यूचर दिस इज अ क्लब ऑफ नौकार, so they can practice in this club too. So I think that's it. Maybe we've cleared everyone's doubts. So I wish everyone all the best for Sunday's tournament. If you have any questions, you can send it to the school. By tomorrow, day after tomorrow evening, आप कोई भी सारे questions भेज दो, एक list बना के we'll collaborate and send in the same email or something like that. Utkarsh sir, नहीं, chess is such a game. It's not like जब क्रिकेट एक ऐसा गेम है, जब सचिन तेंदुलकर जब 16 साल के थे या विराट कोहली जब 17 साल के थे और टीम में आए, तो कोई भी बॉलिंग करता था उनके सामने. सो सिमिलरली चेस इज सच अ गेम दैट एज डज नॉट मैटर. आपको 7 साल का बच्चा भी हरा के चला जाएगा, इट डज नॉट मैटर. हाँ जी मानस, यू आर करेक्ट. आपको वही ईमेल आईडी से chess.com पे लॉग इन करना है. ओम, आपको ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और फ्रेंड्स के लिए दूसरा लिंक भेजा जाएगा. आपको गूगल फॉर्म भर के स्कूल को भेजना है. यस आदित्य, प्लीज. वेदांत, yes, you can play mobile on mobile phone, yes, for chess.com. But मोबाइल फोन का इंटरनेट बहुत ही वो रहता. अरे वाह, आदित्य से दुनिया के बेस्ट टीचर का अवार्ड डिक्लेयर हो गया है. और ये अवार्ड, वाह वाह, थैंक यू सो मच आदित्य. थैंक यू फॉर द ग्रेट जेस्चर. राइट, दैट्स सो स्वीट ऑफ यू. थैंक यू. Yes, sir. So let's take a leave. I mean, whatever questions they have, they'll get the link tomorrow, and they'll get clear. Okay, everyone. Good night. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Ankit sir, for your excellent and valuable explanation. और बस आपका सपोर्ट ऐसा ही हमको मिलता रहे और हम इससे भी बड़ी टूर्नामेंट है वो प्लान करें.
Done. Sure. Thank you. Good night.